Hi, this is going to be a brief video to tell you simply how to log into mastering through Canvas. And so it'll also show you how to get to Canvas. So it's two birds with one stone. This document you should have. This was prepared nicely enough by Dr. Shaw, who teaches a different biology course, but it's the same technology. And this walks you through how to log in. I will show you. So first you log into Lion's Den. I'm going to assume you know how to do that. Then you find Canvas. You click on Canvas. It takes you to this login screen. You can bookmark this screen if you want to, so that you can just log in here and not have to go through Lion's Den. Now I have just put in my G number here. The worksheet that Dr. Shaw produced says gnumber at raritanval.edu, but I don't have to do it, so I'm not sure which format you need to use, but just try the gnumber first, and then it's your same password that you would use for Lion's Den. So you log into that second login page. Then you find Canvas. Once you are in Canvas, you want to find the course. I have two sections. If you're in the Monday, Wednesday section, it'll look like this. If you're in the Tuesday, Thursday section, it'll look like that. I will click on Tuesday, Thursday because it's Thursday. So you click on the course. This is the home page. It is also the modules. I'll make another video just for Canvas later. So now you're in Canvas and you click on My Lab and Mastering. Actually, let me go back. I screwed up. If I do Student View. Now click on My Lab and Mastering. Open My Lab and Mastering. This should pop up. You say, I accept. And then you are going to have to either create an account, or if you've used a Pearson product before, you can enter your Pearson login stuff here, and then move on. So the next screen is the screen where it gives you the options for which access code you want to buy, or if you have an access code, the next screen that pops up has an option for entering the access code. Remember, you can buy the cheapest access code. It should be like $66. So then after you buy it, you should be in. They should not ask you for a course ID. This should be seamless if everything is set up properly. Then once you're in, you can just go back to the home page. And that might be the last time you actually have to go to mastering. You will see that the assignments that are due in mastering are actually embedded in Canvas. So this is Chapter 2 homework or mastering. I can click on that. And, oh, it's locked. Stupid mastering. But it'll take you directly to it, so you don't have to go to mastering to find the assignments. You can do the assignments as they're listed. And I think that's it. That just will get you started logging into mastering, and you don't necessarily need to know your way around mastering. I hope that was helpful.